In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to identify fonts in your Canva designs quickly and effortlessly. Whether you're a seasoned designer or someone just starting, knowing the fonts you're working with can make all the difference in your creative projects. Let's dive right in and unlock the secrets hidden in your designs. First, you'll want to navigate over to your favorite web browser and log in to canva.com. If you've already got an account, fantastic. Simply enter your credentials and click Log In to get started. For those who might be new to Canva, setting up an account is a breeze, and it'll open the doors to a world of design possibilities. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Canva homepage. Now, the next step is to open the design that contains the text you want to analyze. If you've recently worked on a project, you should see it listed under Your Projects or Recent Designs on the homepage. If it's an older design, use the search bar for ease of access. Simply type in the project name or a keyword associated with it. Opening the design is as simple as clicking on it. Inside your project, go ahead and locate the specific text box whose font you want to identify. Text boxes are usually easy to spot because they'll have your text inside them, and clicking once on the box will select it. When selected, you'll notice a border appear around it, indicating that it's the active element you're working on within your design. Here comes the magic. As soon as you click on the text box, cast your eyes to the top of the workspace. In the toolbar above, you'll see a display of the font name currently in use. This toolbar is a powerhouse of information, offering you insights not just into the font name, but the font size, color, and more. But for now, your focus will be on identifying that font. Once the font name is revealed, you can decide your next steps. Maybe you want to use the font in another design, or perhaps you're just curious about what makes your text stand out so beautifully. It's a small piece of information that can have a big impact on your creative work. And there you have it. Easy peasy. Just a few simple clicks to identify fonts in Canva, making your design process that much smoother. I hope this guide helps bring clarity to your projects and enhances your design workflow. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy designing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Until next time, explore those fonts and have fun creating.